Montessori education is built on principles that deeply respect the child and the natural path of development. These principles shape every aspect of the environment, the materials, and the adult's role. Respect for the child. Every child is treated with dignity, trust, and compassion. Montessori sees each child as capable, curious, and ready to learn. Respect means allowing children to make choices, solve problems, and grow at their own pace. The absorbent mind. Young children absorb information from their surroundings without effort. Montessori environments are designed to feed this natural ability, offering rich, hands-on experiences during this powerful stage of brain development. Sensitive periods. Children pass through unique windows of time where they are especially open to learning specific skills. Montessori guides observe these sensitive periods and respond with the right lessons at the right time. Prepared environment. Montessori classrooms are calm, beautiful spaces where everything has a purpose and place. Child-sized furniture, open shelves, and carefully chosen materials support independence, order, and focused exploration. Freedom within limits. Children choose their work and move freely, but within respectful boundaries. This balance teaches responsibility, inner discipline, and care for the community. Auto-education. Montessori materials are designed with control of error. Children can learn, make mistakes, and correct themselves without constant adult correction. This builds confidence, mastery, and a love of learning. The adult as guide. Montessori teachers observe, guide, and step back. They introduce lessons at the right moment and allow the child to explore freely. The adult trusts the process and supports the child's rhythm. Hands-on, concrete learning and intrinsic motivation. Children learn by doing, using real materials to understand real concepts. They are not motivated by stickers or rewards, but by curiosity, repetition, and the satisfaction of mastering something meaningful. Whole child development and closing. Montessori education supports the whole child, not just academic success. It nurtures independence, empathy, focus, and confidence. These core principles prepare children for life, not just school.